Hello, my name's Lisa. I'm a Leggett agent here in the beautiful Mid-Pyrenees. We're in the small village of Salichan, which is close to the Spanish border. It's 20 minutes from Luchon and all the wonders of skiing. Our main Toulouse is an hour and a half away for your international airports, and you have the wonderful mountain countryside. This building is absolutely beautiful. It has been renovated to an extremely high standard using all eco-friendly materials. It is just a perfect environment for which you can live in. It also has stunning views with the very open windows. You can have this beautiful light that just runs through this property, and it is a joy to be in. In this beautiful setting, you have everything. It would make a fantastic family home. You have plenty of room for wildlife or for horses. You also have the ability to grow all your own vegetables. It's just a wonderful place to be. If you would like any more information on this beautiful property, all the information can be found on the links below this video, and it will be my absolute pleasure to show you around or to give you any other information that you would like. Thank you. Goodbye.